The copper wire stripper from Racketeers is a money-making machine which quickly multiplies the value of your scrap wire. Just feed your wire through the copper wire stripper to easily remove the insulation. The copper wire stripper works with most sizes of wire, all the way from a small 14-gauge wire up to a large 500 MCM cable, as well as non-metallic sheathed electrical cable. Using your copper wire stripper is simple. First, with the machine turned off, set the wire guide to the appropriate size for your wire. Next, insert the wire into the machine and lower the blade until it touches the wire. Then, remove the wire and lower the blade 2 or 3 more turns. Finally, turn your machine on and feed the wire through. The copper wire stripper will grab the wire and pull it through automatically, leaving a nice clean cut, allowing the insulation to be easily removed from the wire. The copper wire stripper from Racketeers. For more information, visit our website.